Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video on the OPI sort of collections from all the colors. And this is just a random video. I'm not even going to tell you what the colors, I'm going to tell you the names, so I'm not going to tell you what color it is, what kind. Just saying. So, Hong Kong collection, Red My Fortune Cookie, Bling Dynasty, A Good Mandarin is Hard to Find, Hot and Spicy, Chopstick into My Story, Jade is the New Black, Susie Says Feng Shui, Dim Sum Plum, Pearl of Wisdom, Pandemonium Pink, Meet Me on the Star Ferry, and Lucky Lucky Lavender. And just saying, some of the names also sort of tell you what color it is also. But showing you again. Okay, from the Katy Perry collection, there's Teenage Dream, Not Like the Movies, Last Friday Night, The One That Got Away, and Black Shatter. In the Texas collection, Do You Think I'm Texy, Houston We Have a Purple, Too Hot Pink to Hold 'Em, Y'all Come Back, Y'all Here, Big Hair, Big Nails, Guy Meets Galveston, Don't Mess with the OPI, Susie Loves Cowboys, Santantonio, Austin Tatius Turcopoulos, I don't really know how to read that. It's Totally Worth It, I Want to Be a Lone Star, and it's like a Lone Star. It's like a Lone Star, but it's like supposed to be alone. As you can see here. And then this Serena Glam Slam collection, which is White Shatter. Oh, what happened? Oh, okay, never mind. White Shatter, Sparkle de Trumpet, Red Shatter, Really Pretty Pink, Black Shatter, Simply Smashing. And then there's just one collection that's Nicole by OPI, which is Not a Gold Digger, which is like the Justin Bieber collection. So Not a Gold Digger, I've Got Bieber Fever, Make You Smile, Ready to Run Away Love, I'm a Believer, One Time Lime, Prized Possession Purple, Baby Blue, which is like this. Let's go like this. That's my favorite. Baby Blue. My Lifesaver, Step to the Beat of My Heart. And it's like this, Step to the Beat of My Heart, like actually the real symbol heart. And 2 is like number 2. So Step to the Beat of My Heart, OMB, Me plus Blue, and the plus is like the real plus sign. And Give Me the First Dance and One Less Lonely Glitter. But yeah, that's about it. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys later. Bye.